Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had that head scratching moment when your turbo wouldn't build any boost? Well, I've been there, and today I'm going to take you on a journey to uncover the mystery and solve the problem. You're going to want to stick around because you ain't going to believe what the culprit was. First, I went on the hunt for a loose vacuum hose, thinking that might be the problem. Then I tried a classic brake cleaner trick to check the intake manifold for leaks. Next, I checked the charge pipes very carefully. I was convinced one of the couplers might be loose or damaged, but still nothing seemed to amiss. I revisited the tune, comparing my current settings to the past ones, and everything appeared to be in order. I even followed Cobb's directions on the website to test my 3-port controller, and the results were negative. At this point, I was scratching my head. But here's where the plot thickens. I decided to inspect the turbo and the wastegate actuator arm, and guess what? It had some play, allowing the wastegate to flap open just enough to limit boost. I took a deep breath, loosened the actuator arm, made 2 full turns adjustment, and reattached it to the turbo. And just like that, my turbo was back to making target boost. Well, there you have it. A seemingly perplexing boost problem solved by a simple wastegate actuator arm. I hope you liked the video and perhaps learned something. If you did, hit that subscribe button and like, and I'll see you in the next video.